Hi, my name is Abhishek and this is the story of how I met Meghalaya. Previously we have seen that despite being a bustling hill town, how Shillong impressed me with its sights and smells. But if you haven't seen that episode, I'll put the link somewhere up here and somewhere down there. I mean in the description. You know, time and again, there is one aspect of travel that has proven to be far more rewarding to me than any other. It's the people. And Meghalaya was no different. While doing my research for Meghalaya, I came across Gregory Alia Vajri, aka Greg. Now Greg is... एक काम करते हैं, let me show you.
The activities that I do is cliff jumping, mountain biking, rappelling, canyoning, and then caving is a new sport. So
is there anything left now for you to try?
There's plenty more. I don't mind getting a chance to learn more outdoor sports.
Wow.
How I started is just that I start explore and I start posting something on the internet, on social media, Facebook. Back then it was just only Facebook. Yeah, I always tell the students, Facebook is not just meeting boyfriend or girlfriend, you know, hanging out with your friends or chatting with them. But for me, I just post these things, and other people from all over the country, they see that I'm into outdoor, and these other companies like Wildcraft, Outdoor Travel Gear, Quipco, Gefi Outdoors, all of these try to reach out and which they support me in my outdoor life. I never thought that my passion, my interest would open up such doors to where I'm at right now.
Wow. So this is Greg, and it's clear that he's all things outdoors. We met over Instagram and gradually gave shape to our plan. So he's going to be my partner in crime in Meghalaya along with Blackie, our overlanding vehicle. But what's overlanding, you may ask? Well, in simple words, it's a road trip where your vehicle becomes your home and the journey becomes the destination. Basically an alternate way of exploring the world. And one of the pioneers of this concept is the Guwahati-based startup called Camping Co. They are a self-drive vehicle rental company offering SUVs equipped with rooftop tents and camping gears. Moreover, the countryside in Meghalaya is so magnificent that I can't think of a better way to explore it. While most of the travel guides will recommend Cherrapunji, Mawsyn Ram and Dauki, all of which are great by the way, I wanted to go a little bit beyond. So बस फिर क्या था? The three of us left Shillong behind, and the moment we hit the countryside, the roads itself got me ecstatic. This was the first time I was seeing Meghalaya in all its glory. It just laid bare before my eyes, as if to justify why is it called the Scotland of the East. All along the journey, the hills, the winding roads, the streams and the farms kept presenting themselves as if to outdo each other's magnificence. So, cruising through these mesmerizing roads, we reached Mawsyn Ram, a picturesque hamlet located in the West Khasi Hills, somewhere around 100 kilometers from Shillong. It's known for its unending series of lakes and rolling hillocks stretching away into the distant horizon. But जब हम वहाँ पहुँचे तो नज़ारा कुछ ऐसा था. Like in Lightroom, I was in two minds. एक तरफ लगा कि यार again there are no views, no hills, no lakes, no meadows. But there was something in the air, a feeling you get when you live amidst the clouds. And right when I was about to leave, the view cleared a bit. as if someone up there wanted to reward me. The simple combinations of the element made it appear like a picture postcard. It was breathtaking while it lasted. So our earlier plan was to camp at Moffinlore, but Greg had some other ideas.
So this is the last cultural dance happening here in Meghalaya. All the villages will have, like Maulivna they already finished, Lauba already finished, Masanram last week they have finished, this the last one. So these are the Khasi religion, they've not converted into Christianity, they have their own rituals, their own culture.
This was a very small village called Tirsad, located in the East Khasi Hills, not very far from Mawsynram. Even though it rained on and off throughout the day, but I think it wasn't going to dampen the spirits of the people there. This was my first experience of attending a northeastern folk event, and seeing all these kids getting ready with so much enthusiasm made me realize it was actually a good call coming here. पाँच बज चुके थे and still no lunch. So we stopped at this roadside eatery where we also discussed the plan for the night. Now the guys at camping company had shared a list of campsites where people can park for the night. These are specific places personally identified by them where you'll have the food arrangements as well as the loo facilities. But my good friend Greg said that he has some other place in mind. And the rule of the thumb is, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. और इसी के चलते by the time we reached Mawlingbana, it was pitch dark. A few of Greg's friends joined us and the plan was to cook some chicken curry. But as Murphy's Law goes, our stove malfunctioned and when we tried to make a makeshift chula, it started raining. So eventually the dinner for the night was rice, a dash of lemon juice and an omelette. But it was a tiring day and all I wanted was to just eat whatever I get and sleep. Frankly, I couldn't stop thinking if we should have camped somewhere else. Should we have? Well, that's all for this time. But if you like the journey so far, please give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. Also, if you have any feedback, good or bad, do let me know in the comments. But until we meet, work, earn, travel, repeat.